Alright, I started, guys. Let's go. Gotta open up the garage. Alright, we're gonna kill her. Also need to restock on ammo. Shit, see him. Alright, we also have 3 lives each. I forgot to mention that. But nobody got hit yet. It's a little bit blurry. Shit. Guy got stuck. What? What did you do?
This pool is full of water. I just poured it on me.
Oh shit. Shit. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, so close. Shit, ammo.
Ready?
I'm always ready. I can just peek through with the camera. Oh, so close. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to my fort. Whew, there's bullets back here, thank God. I'm in my fort up here. I see a bullet. In my tree fort. Also, if you didn't know, this is my other fort. It's all over the fence. It's kind of a secret fort. Alright, let's go.
I see you.
Oh shit! I fell. Man down. Man down the tree.
Gotcha.
No, you missed.
There's no way, bro.
Nah. It bounced off the fence.
No.
Alright, sure, I'll give you. You know what? It didn't hit me, but I'll give you it. Dude, it's actually kind of hard to aim with this camera. Because I can't look down the sights, because, like, it's inaccurate. One thing I do have is plenty of ammo. Actually, that's not true. I only have 3 bullets. That's enough bullets to kill you, though. And 6 is, like, double kill. Is, like, enough to kill 2 of me.
Yeah, that's why.
Oh, wait, I just realized I got 2. So I can shoot both of them and hit you, but you still have a life. I'm gonna play it safe. Whew. Oh, got you. Come on. Alright, we each got 2 lives. Dude, we're already hitting 5 minutes.
What?
It's already been 5 minutes.
What?
I know. Did you not hear me?
No.
The video's been 5 minutes
Got
long.
you.
Oh shit, I wasn't paying attention. Are you serious?
No.
Gunshots count, by the way. Got you. Need ammo. Try to adjust the camera. Alright.
Shoot, don't hit you.
No.
You got 1 left, Johnny.
He's got 2. Alright, we're gonna rush him because this video is not gonna hit 10 minutes before I kill him.
Got,
Nope.
got you.
No, no,
I won.
no, no.
Come on.
Dude, this is so hard to aim, bro. I haven't hit it. I barely hit any shots.